What I have here is a full dress. It's from the waistline, is fully pleated, and the skirt part has been burnt by the customer's maid. So I'm going to try and have it repaired. It is a new dress. It hasn't been worn by the customer. It has been burnt in a very awkward place. It's about 6 inches down from the waistline. On the wrong side of the garment, I am trying to form the pleats and run a stitch to hold the pleats in place. In the area of the burn, now I have the pleats that are formed over in the burnt area, and I've got this pleat in place. I am going to now place a piece of fabric over that area on the wrong side to give it some support. I found this motif from an old garment and cut it off. I opened it, and now I'm going to stitch around that motif. Carefully stitch around it. It has beads around the motif. Continue stitching it, and once I'm done, I will show you the outcome of the garment. This is what the garment looks like now after the motif has been stitched in place and all the pleats were neatly formed.